hello. That was the first time I talked all morning and my voice kind of sounded weird. I just woke up. I have not even taken like, can you guys see? I think they're all rubbed off. Like my dots that I put on my face at night, they're still, I literally just woke up. And my eyelashes are sticking together. It's a great day so far. Today is Wednesday. Yes, that's the one. And I don't really have that much going on today, but I thought this would be a fun day to vlog because I still have some homework to do. My nose just really itches. I'm sorry. Here's what I have going on. Yeah. Ooh, hello. Hello. I was going to vlog yesterday, then I completely got busy and forgot. But I went to a spin class and I got some new workout clothes right there. So I thought I would do a little haul. This video is sponsored. I just would like to mention that. Throwing that out there. I never want to hide sponsorships from you guys because I'm so thankful that companies want to sponsor me, and you guys have gotten me to a place where companies want to sponsor me. I never want to hide that from you. So this video is sponsored by Fabletics. If you guys want, you can use my code to get 2 pairs of leggings for $24, which is a really good deal considering that that's like a $99 value, and like their leggings are really good quality and run around like $50-ish each. That's a freaking good deal. This is a look. So I think I might take a shower, maybe do some homework, and then show you guys the haul. Let's do it. Hello, it's me again. So I showered. I feel like my hair is genuinely yellow. Do you see what I'm talking about? Or is it like just me in my head? But I feel like I look yellow. And whenever I use purple shampoo, it turns my hair purple. I can't wait. So far, I have just watched and read all the things for my women's studies class I needed to do. And then now I'm going to be writing an essay. I ate lunch. I had a salad and a granola bar, and I'm still kind of hungry. So I have a cutie and some water that has a frozen thing in it. Do you see the frozen thing right there? Yep. I just need to like write my essay and all that stuff. Should I do a time lapse? I feel like I always get like really insecure during time lapses because I'm like, what if they like see me do something weird, you know? I'm in Walmart right now. I'm vlogging on my phone. It's this like little teeny tiny Walmart we have, and I feel really awkward vlogging in it because like people I know are here. But yeah, I'm really hungry, so I just like want a snack. But I don't know what to get. It's obviously not the food aisle. I don't know what I want. These look cute. I've never had them before. They're only 50 cents. I don't know if I want it. I don't know. I'll give you guys some life updates really quickly. Just went to Walmart. I got All Time. Got a Powerade from my friend that I'm going to be seeing later today. And then I didn't know what candy, or I didn't know what food to get myself, so I got my newest obsession. I'm obsessed. It's bad. Kind of hot in my room. Oh my gosh. Normally my room's free. Other update, my elevator is broken again, which really sucks. I have not finished my essay. I'm writing it right now. Normally like this essay is a 2-page essay, which is not bad, but normally I really struggle with 2-page essays because I have so much that I want to say that I can not fit it only into 2 pages. I need like more. But this one I'm so bored with. The article that I have doesn't really give much information that I'm writing about, so I'm like, don't know what else to say. So I feel like I'm just repeating myself the entire time. Oh, I was gonna say something else. What was it? Oh, it is so windy out today. Like, I don't know if you guys ever go to California like in the summer for vacation. When you're like walking to the beach, it's like super windy. And good thing that I'm wearing a bra, because if I wasn't, I would have flashed someone because my shirt literally like flew up because it's so windy. But for a moment, I like forgot where I was because I was crossing the street and people were on skateboards, and it was super windy, and I was like, this makes me feel like I'm in California again, like crossing the street to go to the beach or something like that. And I was like, wait, I'm in Arizona. I'm at college. What the heck is happening? I'm gonna eat my chocolate bar. We'll throw this away. I need to take out my trash today. Look at this, you guys. I hate this. Is disgusting. I'm so embarrassed. I just hate taking out my trash. Add to the pile. We don't have a trash chute, so it's like a really long way to take down your trash, and especially now that one elevator's broken, I just don't ever want to do it. I know I'm disgusting, but I clean my room a lot. Woohoo! I just finished and turned in my essay. Oh my god, my watch is dead. I'm gonna show you guys all the cute workout clothes I got. First, I'm gonna clean this up, okay? So that was a total mess because I was wearing and trying on all the stuff, but I like couldn't put it away yet. I have a pretty background now, so it's all good. My face looks like a red tomato. That's cool. But okay, so I'm doing a little haul for you guys in this vlog. Really fun. So again, this video is sponsored by Fabletics. Thank you so much, Fabletics, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want, you can use my code. I'll put it right here for you guys, and I'll give you 2 pairs of leggings for $24, which is a really freaking good deal. Considering, again, $99 value, the leggings are like $50-ish. You're getting 2 pairs for $24, so that's a really good deal. So Fabletics basically basically you go on there, you take a little personality style quiz, and they come up with outfits for you, like workout outfits and stuff that are really cute, that are tailored to your style and your personality. Enter your email and then you can become a VIP member if you want, and VIP members get a ton of perks that are really awesome. So I got a ton of stuff that I thought I would share with you guys. I've worn most of these, I think. My first thing that I got are these pair of leggings. They're this mint, is this backwards? Am I showing it to you backwards? Yeah, I am. Cool. Okay, sorry. Adorable pair of mint leggings. I really like their leggings. They're good quality. And these ones are high-waisted, so they have this like band up here, which I really like because it like sucks you in, if you know what I'm talking about. Like it makes you feel thinner, if that makes any sense. Like it like holds your stomach in, so I think that it's more flattering. I always thought, like, you know when people are like, I'm getting workout stuff to inspire me to go to the gym, I was like, that's stupid. It's not gonna do anything for you. Well, I've changed my mind because I feel like wearing stuff like this that has this band like right here that can like hold you in, you feel more confident. When you feel confident, you're not focused on how you look at the gym, you're focused on like your performance. And so I take spin classes a lot, and so in spin classes you wear leggings so your legs don't like rub up against each other. Basically, I've just noticed that whenever I have high-waisted leggings that I have performed a lot better. That's why I like high-waisted leggings. So I got this pair. I also got a few other pairs like it. I think I got the same style but in this pink color. It's this gorgeous like kind of muted pink, which I think is really pretty. I mostly own like black leggings. I don't own anything lighter. I don't really like printed leggings like with a print on them. If you do like them, Fabletics has a ton. They're not my personal style just because I feel like it's a lot going on, and I am more into like solid colors. I really like their solid color stuff. I think they're really cute. They also have a little pocket right here for your keys or something like that you want to put there. You guys are gonna hate me, but I also got another pair of pink leggings, and I know that I just showed some, but these are different. They're different. This one has like a heathered material, like, you know, like heather gray, like it has like a heathered material on it. These ones are my favorite out of all of them. I think that these ones hold me in the most, if that makes sense. They're thick, but they're not too thick, if that makes sense. Like they're thick enough to be good quality, but they're not thick enough to make you sweat a lot. I wore these to my spin class last night and they didn't give me butt sweat, so like check that off the list. These are a lighter color, so I was kind of nervous that if my sweat would like show through, which it didn't, which was really cool. I wore these all day, and then I wore the blue ones the day before, and they were great for lounging and working out. So that's why I really like these ones. These ones are my favorite ones. So if you can get any ones, I would recommend these ones. I would get them in multiple colors because it's 2 for $24. I also got this pair of leggings because I was like, I always need more black ones. And this is just, oh my god, there's hair everywhere on it, but it's a different material. It is like ribbed, I feel like. It's also high-waisted. These ones are like really high-waisted, like they go like far above my belly button, which I really like. I really like these ones. If you want some simple black leggings that you can lounge or work out in, some sports bras. I wore this one the other day and there's a little foundation stain on it, so sorry. This one matches the leggings. They have sets on Fabletics, like outfit set leggings with matching sports bra, or like leggings, sports bra, sweater, things like that. I decided not to get any of those because I wanted to like mix and match and like have everything kind of go together. So this one matches the leggings, and I really like the back. I think it's really cute. This one is one of my favorites. I also got a white sports bra because I don't own any white ones. Actually, when I went to spin class yesterday, I saw someone wearing this and I was like, I own that too, girl. This is the back. It's upside down so I can show it to you the best. It has like a little triangle cutout basically, and then the front it looks like a V, and I really like the white color. I mostly again have dark stuff for working out because I feel like most places sell dark stuff. And then I also got this sports bra because I thought it would go with these leggings, and I thought it would be like just like 2 different tones of the same color, but I feel like they're in a whole different color category. I mean, I definitely wore this sports bra with the heathered leggings last night. This is the front of it. It's like simple and pink, and then the back is really cute. Oh gosh, here's the back. It was really comfortable to work out in. I really liked it. I again wore it to spin class. This is like a sports bra shirt, so it's basically a shirt attached to a sports bra. As you can see, they're like sewn together right there. These are my favorite things ever, and I don't know anywhere else that like sells them because I have one from a different store and I have not been able to find them anywhere. So when I saw this on Fabletics, I was like, heck yeah. So it's this like really pretty like mauve shirt, and it's like really cool. Like there's good like ventilation in the shirt, so if you're sweating, and then there's a pink sports bra attached to it. And so here's the back. Can you see that they're attached? Obviously, I just really like this because you don't have to match anything, you don't have to plan out anything. The last things that I got are my fault because I ordered the wrong size, because I forgot that I like these smaller, but I ordered my like true to size. So if you like them true to size, then like that's cool, but like I personally like them to be a little bit less baggy. But I ordered 2 pairs of running shorts because I hate running shorts that have the built-in underwear. I hate it. I hate it so much. I think it's so annoying, and I like the stuff that has built-in Spanx, and these ones do have this like band right here, which is kind kind of like the band on the leggings. So these are like a little bit high-waisted and they like suck you in, which I really like. These ones are white and they have the gray Spanx underneath it. And when I go to the gym, I like to wear running shorts. I don't like to wear leggings, but when I go to spin classes, I like leggings. And then I also just got a simple pair of black ones. These ones again are a little bit bigger, but I think the black ones fit, like they look less baggy. So I mean, I'm still gonna wear these. I'm just gonna be honest. Like, I'm not going to return them or buy anything different. Like, I'm still gonna wear these a ton. Like, your running shorts to be a little bit less baggy, then I would recommend sizing down. But everything else I found true to size. That was everything that I got from Fabletics. If you guys want to get 2 pairs of leggings for $24, you can check out my little code right here. Again, thank you so much to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. And I was about to say I'll see you guys in my next video, but we're still gonna be vlogging after this. So see you guys in the next moment that I vlog. The last clip you guys just saw was me eating dinner. I ate dinner alone in the middle of the MU because well, actually wasn't that hungry. I just wanted it. I need to stop doing that. I always eat when I'm not hungry. And now I am going to go to bouncing and clapping practice for my sorority. I think I'm gonna change into the black running shorts that I showed you guys. These ones, because these shorts are cute, but I feel like they've been like showing my butt all day. Spanx will like prevent my butt from showing during bouncing and clapping practice. I'm gonna go soon.
We just got out of bouncing and clapping practice and we're getting Dutch, and I'm on my iPhone. It's so close to your face because the iPhone. Oh my god, like it's really close.
It's
though.
like, have you ever
like
seen?
look how close it is to them.
Oh, and then like to me, it's like a microscope. Have you seen?
So we're back in my dorm. I just got Dutch with my sorority sisters, which is super fun. I love hanging out and talking to them. We literally sat there for over an hour. I think maybe 2 hours. Kind of funny. I think this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. I've known about this sponsorship for months, but I've been so excited. So thank you once again. If you guys want to get 2 pairs of leggings for $24, use my code. I'll have it in a link in the description as well. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I hit my head when I did that.